Changing your two-factor authentication methods on LinkedIn can enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your settings easily. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn account. Open your web browser or LinkedIn app and sign into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Modify two-factor authentication. Under the Security Settings, locate the two-step verification section. Click on Change or Edit to update your authentication method, such as switching from SMS to an authenticator app. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the change. This may include entering a verification code sent to your current method or setting up a new authentication app. By following these steps, you can easily change your two-factor authentication methods on LinkedIn, ensuring your account remains secure.